Quadratic Functions, Part 4, and here we're learning to sketch a parabola using factorisation to help us. So we want to sketch the graph of y equals x squared plus 4x plus 3. Now there are a number of things we're likely to be asked to show, and the first thing would be, where are the roots? So to find the roots, this is where the graph goes through the x-axis, so something along and 0 up, which means that y is 0. So substituting 0 in gives us x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0, just the y becomes 0. Then we can factorise this and solve, and here we have two answers for x and therefore our two roots. We'll also be asked to show where the turning point is. Turning point's x-coordinate is always halfway between the roots. So here we've got -3 and -1, we want halfway. So this is just the mean average. So add the two up and divide by 2. -3 and -1 is -4, and then half that is -2. So this is the x-coordinate of the turning point, but we also need the y-coordinate, so we substitute x equals -2 into the formula at the top. And we get -2 squared plus 4 -2's plus 3, and all that works out to be -1. So our turning point is -2, -1. We'll also be asked to plot where the y-intercept is as well. So the y-intercept is on the y-axis, so the y-axis, every point there on it is where we have an x value of 0. It's 0 along and something up or down. So we substitute x equals 0 into the equation, and we get y is equal to 0 squared plus 4 zeros plus 3, so we're just left with 3 because these are both with 0. So the y-intercept is 0, 3. So the last step is actually just to do the sketch. Let's make it smooth and symmetrical, as all parabolas are. We need to plot these 4 points, and we want to label them onto the diagram. So plotting the points and drawing the curve through, and there we have our graph.